good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. This is Never Too Old to Rock. I'm your host, Jim. You can call me Jim. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, you are fucking awesome. I love you loads. If you're just checking out what the channel's about, it's reactions to rock, metal, 80s music. I throw in the 80s music because not all of the 80s was bad. There was some good stuff in the 80s. And it brings back some good memories for me, and I enjoyed listening to them, and I can still to this day continue enjoying listening to them. So sometimes I throw them in. If that upsets you, tough, I don't care. I grew up in the 80s. What do you want, you know? What have I got for you today? Oh, before I say anything else, just an important bit of information. Please whack the shit out of that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Really would. So if you could do that for me, that would be amazing. Thank you. Right, as I was saying, what have I got for you today? Well, it's a request from Carrie, McBratine, Shinedown, Sound of Madness. Not heard this. You have to forgive me if I haven't heard it. It's because I have a busy job and I don't get a lot of time. So when I do these videos, it's just on the fly sort of thing. But in the next couple of weeks, I have to make a big decision because there are things happening at my job that I'm not happy about, and it's starting to get to me. So I'll keep you informed about that anyway. Yes, so this will be my first time hearing this. I have done a reaction to Shinedown before, and quite enjoyed it. It was alright. So this will be my second one. So with that said, let's do this, shall we? Here we go.
Okay, fine. 550 it is. But I just want you to know that this is wrong, Tony. And it wasn't so long ago that... What? Hello? Tony? Tony?
Under attack, always coming in last, bringing up the past. No one owes you anything, I think. You need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid. Watch your back! Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon gone bipolar. Slipped down, couldn't get much lower. Quickstand's got no sense of humor. I'm still laughing like hell. You think that my crime to me, looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected by social disease. Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. I'm so sick of this tombstone mentality. If there's an afterlife, then it'll set you free. But I'm not gonna pop the seizure of self best hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're gonna wake up. When you're gonna wake up and fight. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. When you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. When you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself. When you're gonna wake up and fight for yourself.
I fucking love that. I did. That was fucking awesome. I'm being absolutely serious. I enjoyed every single bit of that song. And that was my first time hearing it. Carrie, good choice. I'm totally blown away by that. It the sound of it just reminds me of stuff that I've listened to in the past, and I've got I've listened to lots of bands over the years, but sometimes it's nice to have a familiar sound that reminds you of good times, and that one does it for me. It does. I That's definitely going into my playlist. Definitely. Just had all the right elements to it. Great fucking song. Great song. Really is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like. Please subscribe. Please check out my other videos. If you have any requests, leave them in the comment section. I will promise I will get to them. And with that said, see you in the next one. Peace.